and pour the whiskey strong. Don't take it back 'cause we can do no wrong. Don't be afraid to live it up. Take a sip, put your hand on her hip, and we'll go all night long. Two steps till dawn on the sawdust floor we're on. We'll be dancing like we always do. Let's raise a glass to all the bad things from the past, to all the good and all the bad. I found you. Oh, my old friend. Goodbye till the end. So raise your glass and pour the whiskey strong. Don't take it back 'cause we can do no wrong. Don't be afraid to live it up. Take a sip, put your hand on her hip, and we'll go all night long. All night long. All night long. Don't be afraid to live it up. Take a sip, put your hand on her hip, and we'll go all night long.
Let's learn Whiskey Strong. It's choreographed by Rhoda Lai Jamie Marshall. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Whiskey Strong. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to walk forward, stepping right, left, right. You're now going to make a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock and cross your right over your left. We're now going to do a half hinge. So you're going to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. Make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock, and then cross your left over your right. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your walk forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to step our right foot to the right side, touch your left next to your right. We're now going to do a kickball cross, kicking your left foot forward into the left diagonal. Quickly step your left next to your right and cross your right over your left. We're going to do a big step to the left, dragging your right toe into your left. Rock back with your right foot and recover onto your left. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just crossed over, stepping to the side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left. We're going to step back with our right foot. And as we step back with our right, we're going to push this right hip back so we're sitting over our right foot and touch your left toe forward. If you would like, you can make a body roll as you sit. So you'll rock forward with your right foot, recover, and you can do a body roll starting with your upper body rolling back and then sit down onto that right foot with your left toe touched slightly forward and a bent knee. We're now going to step our left foot out to the left side, and you're going to put your left hand onto your left hip. You're now going to step your right foot out to the right side, put your right hand on your right hip. Your feet should be about shoulder width apart. And then we're going to do a counterclockwise hip roll, rolling from left to right, bringing it around and putting your weight onto your right foot. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your rock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to cross rock our left over our right, recover back onto your right foot, and we're going to do a side shuffle to the left, stepping left side, right together, left side. We're now going to do a jazz box, so you're going to cross your right over your left, step back with your left, step your right foot to the right side, and then you're going to step your left foot slightly forward, ready to go into the next wall. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our hip roll, so weight's on your right. Do your cross rock. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts, and then we'll talk about the extra hand motions that you can put into this dance if you choose. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your walk. So it's walk, walk, step, quarter, pivot, cross, quarter, quarter, cross, step, touch, kick, ball, cross, side, drag, rock back, recover, rock forward, recover, step back, touch and sit, step out, out, and your hip roll, cross rock, recover, side shuffle, jazz, box, step. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your walk forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, on walls 3 and 6, you do have hand motions that you can add on into the dance. These hand motions are going to happen in the first and third section on the first 4 counts of both. So the first time we do it, we'll be facing 6 o'clock, and you're going to do it in the very first section, which is your walk forward and your quarter pivot. So you're going to take your right hand, you're going to have your thumb up, pinky extended, with your other 3 fingers kind of bent, kind of like you're holding on to something. It's supposed to mimic like you're holding a drink. When we walk forward, I'm going to face the side so that you can see it, but know that it happens to the back. You're going to walk forward and you're going to bring it up like you're doing a cheers, and you'll drop it as you do your quarter pivot. The next time you bring it up will be when you're doing your rock, recover, step back, touch and sit. You're going to have it out. As you rock forward, you'll bring it up, and then as you recover, you're going to start bringing it towards your mouth. As you sit, you're going to pretend like you're drinking, and then you'll drop it as you do your hip, hip. It's only going to happen on those 2 walls at that 2 parts. Other than that, you don't have to worry about it. So the first time will be wall 3, so we'll be dancing the back wall. You will do it for your walk forward, and then your roll and sit, you'll do the drink. The next time you do it will be on wall 6, so you'll be facing the side wall, and you'll do it on your walk forward and your roll and sit, you'll do the drink. Other than that, you don't have to worry about it for the rest of the dance, or you could choose to not do it. It is optional on the step sheet. Now, let's talk about the ending. Your final wall is wall 8. It will be a 9 o'clock facing wall. You're going to dance 7 counts of the dance, which is up to your hinge half turn, but not including your crossover step. So we'll be facing 9 o'clock. You're going to do your walk, 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 step, quarter, pivot, cross, quarter, quarter. And you'll end facing 12 o'clock on that side step. Now, the music is going to sound like it fades out while you're still dancing. That is completely fine. That's on purpose. You want to make sure that you're dancing all the way through count 7. So you end facing the front. That will be the very end of the song. The music will be completely gone by the time you're doing that step to the side. So now let's go around. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance. When we do the 3rd wall, I am going to do the hand motion. So if you would like to practice, you can practice on the back wall with me. We are going to do the counts on the front and back walls and the steps on the side walls. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your walk. So it's walk, walk, step, quarter, pivot, cross, quarter, quarter, cross, side touch, kick, ball, cross, side drag, rock back, recover, rock forward, recover, roll and touch, step out, out, hip roll, cross, rock, recover, side shuffle, jazz, box, step, start over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is your hand motion wall. Walk, walk, step, quarter, pivot, cross, quarter, quarter, cross, step, touch, kick, ball, cross, side drag, rock back, recover. Now rock, recover, roll, sit, step, out, out, hip roll, cross, rock, recover, side shuffle, jazz, box, step, walk, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance, including your arms on wall 6, and you're ending on wall 8. Now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Whiskey Strong. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
So raise your glass and pour the